Everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a food sticker on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut and click new project, add video that you want to edit. And then after this, if you want to add a food sticker on CapCut, you just click on sticker at the bottom. And then at the menu, you can swipe until you can see a food sticker menu, this one. So you just click on it, and in here you can see many food sticker on a CapCut. You can choose everything you like. Maybe I want to add this one or maybe this one, like this a delete, and this one. Like this, and then after this you can click check icon in here and set the effect. And then so that how to add food sticker on CapCut apps. And I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.